A 40-question English quiz to test your overall language skills. Challenge yourself and find your score. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Benefit. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer B. Dimension. Choose a synonym for elusive. Answer C. Hard to catch. Which word is closest in meaning to fortuitous? Answer A. Lucky. What does barking up the wrong tree mean? Answer C. Wrong assumption. What does beat around the bush mean? Answer D. Avoid the main. Which word is the opposite of moist? Answer A. Dry. Opposite of blunt. Answer D. Sharp. What is the plural of wristwatch? Answer B. Wristwatches. Choose the correct plural form of eyebrow. Answer C. Eyebrows. Fill in the blank. Answer D. He decided to leave early. Complete the sentence. Answer B. She is taller than her cousin. What is the second form of swim? Answer A. Swam. Past tense of tell. Answer C. Told. What is the opposite of ripe? Answer D. Raw. Which word is the antonym of hostile? Answer B. Friendly. Select the opposite of wary. Answer D. Trusting. What does go the extra mile mean? Answer A. Do more. What does by the book mean? Answer B. By the rules. What does jump the gun mean? Answer C. Start too early. Which word can replace concise? Answer A. Brief. Choose a synonym for partial. Answer B. Biased. Which word is closest in meaning to restless? Answer C. Uneasy. Identify the correct spelling. Answer D. Feedback. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer C. Responsible. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Technology. What is the past form of sit? Answer D. Sat. Identify the past tense of move. Answer A. Moved. Choose the past form of understand. Answer C. Understood. Complete the phrase. Answer B. This task is too difficult. Fill in the blank. Answer C. This is useful advice. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. She was born in April. What is the plural of country? Answer A. Countries. Select the plural form of mountain. Answer D. Mountains. Choose the plural of cousin. Answer B. Cousins. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Whisper. Choose a synonym for proficient. Answer A. Skilled. What is the past form of think? Answer D. Thought. What is the plural of penny? Answer A. Pennies. Select the plural of pillow. Answer C. Pillows. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.